where we are. That's right, 1000 Brooktree Road. And here is the Otis hydraulic elevator. It's an Otis. Let's go down to 1. Here we go. See, this is relay controlled. This is relay controlled. This has a 211 controller, so it's obviously not relay controlled. Let's watch it level. Let's go up to 3. Yep, relay control. Oh wow, we got some relays. Installed in 1996. I'll give you a shot at classic leveling again. Here up in level 3. The only classic level going down. This is the 3rd floor. Let's go back down to 1 to show you classic leveling. So your basic gold office building elevator. Installed in 1996. Mid-Gen Series 1. Hands-free ADA code compliant phone. 2,500 pound capacity. Light switch, stop switch, alarm button, whole bunch of things. Let's watch the leveling again. Classic leveling. Back up to 2. Yeah, it's actually quite an epic elevator. No smoking. In fire emergency, use exit stairs. Call cancel. Which only works at fire service, I think. Individual. Independent service. Fake wood caps. There it goes, and that's it.